everybody. Just got word that AMC Vote has passed overwhelmingly. The preliminary numbers are in. Looks like 88 to 89% of people have voted for the amendments. All three amendments have passed. We have 88 to 89%. Overwhelming majority have voted yes. And good old Adam Aaron, the Chief Executive Officer of AMC, and the Board of Directors have filed a motion of dismissal against the frivolous lawsuit that's currently been implemented, or should I say, is in place against AMC. The judge ruled that the vote can take place, and that anytime between now and April 27th, 2023, the judge can dismiss the case. There's obviously no guarantees on what's going to happen, but I won't be surprised in the slightest to hear that it gets dismissed well before April 27th. However, worst case scenario, I don't mind waiting. I could gladly wait till April 27th, and as a lot of you guys have seen, hedge funds have basically, and market makers have come to the conclusion that this overwhelming majority is going to prove to the judge that the majority of stockholders and shareholders are actually for the conversion and reverse split of APE to AMC. When you take your APE and put them into AMC, if you already had some as a shareholder, if you were smart enough to hold on to them, it's not really a 1 to 10, it'd be more of a 1 to 5, because the number of shares that you have would double. Or if you were really smart and bought more APE than you did AMC, or even bought more APE after the fact, then you would end up with more than that number of shares. So it would be even less to a 1 to 5. For example, in one of my accounts, I have 6,000 shares of AMC and 11,000 shares of APE. Therefore, when my 11,000 APE become AMC, it'd be more like a 1 to 3 split instead of a 1 to 5. Maybe even 1 to 2.5. So the arbitrage is real, and that's a big reason as to why the price of AMC is being shorted down so heavily. There's no way that they're going to let people keep buying APE. Meanwhile, AMC is trading so much higher. It would be like getting free shares of AMC. So they're going to try to bring the price of AMC down as far as possible. Probably to scare uneducated investors into selling their shares, and to reduce the parity and the difference that's going on there between APE and AMC. AMC was halted today, what, 5 or 6 times? 5 or 6 times it was halted as the price rocketed up and down. But that's no surprise. Instead of LULD, limit up, limit down, there's a running joke going in the think tank. And at this point, it's limit up, not down halts. So anytime we're going down, you can bet we're not going to get halted. Well, I take that back. I wouldn't say that. I would say I would guess, because I'm not a financial advisor, and that's not financial advice. Damn, we're going to be so fucking rich. I don't know how long it's going to take, but I'll wait as long as necessary, no matter what. We're going to be what, Parker? Where are we going? When? Tuesday. All right, I like the sound of that. A Tuesday would be a fine day to go to the moon, honey. Yeah, baby. We're going to be French. She's right. She's so damn right. You're so damn smart. Today's a good day, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, and to those of you that are freaking out about the price of AMC, I'm not concerned in the slightest. Every dog has its day, and today's one of my days. And usually what happens when AMC has good news, good earnings, well, the price goes down. Because that's what short hedge is going to do. They're going to short. Janet Yellen, get that fucking money printer out. You guys have seen now with Silvergate Bank, Silicon Valley, Jerome Powell and Janet Yellen will get the fucking money printer out. Because just like these banks have gone default and got taken over by the FDIC, some broker dealers and prime brokers are going to default. And they're probably going to get taken over by the FDIC. And Janet Yellen and Jerome Powell are going to get that fucking money printer out to save their asses, thereby paying me my fucking money. Jerome Powell, pay me my fucking money. Ken Griffin, I can wait as long as needed, my friend. You know how many friends I have that waited from $60 a Bitcoin to 60,000 a Bitcoin? Quite a few. Quite a few. In this think tank as well. Oh, you know it, Parker. You said it better than I could ever say it. Dad, we're gonna be so rich. Yeah? Yeah? You ain't lying, hon. What will be the price of AMC after the reverse stock split? The price of AMC will be the converted price of APE plus AMC times 10 initially for a split second, and it will inevitably and invariably change. So for a microcosm of a second, it will be APE plus AMC times 10. And by the time the very first trade happens, it's going to move. I'm not sure. We'll check on it right now. But on that note, the vote has passed. I'm very much looking forward to seeing this case get dismissed. I think it's only a short matter of time. And I'm going to live my best life until then and after that. But anyway, I think I'm going to let you guys go. I've said what I want to say. My little one's starting to get a little impatient, so let's get her out of this truck. Wish you guys peace and wealth. Damn, we're going to be so fucking rich. Say it one more time. Oh, okay. Thanks, honey. Where are we going? That's what I thought. Thank you, honey. Cheers.